Guys, so when classifying conics, usually if they're in standard form or it tells you the type of conic in the directions, you're good to go. However, if they write the equation in general form, which is given in the examples, there is an easy way to tell what type of conic you're dealing with so you know what type of standard equation and shape you're going to be working on. So the two things to focus on are the coefficients for x squared, known as a, and the coefficient of y squared, which we'll call c. Mind you, every variable here, the d, the e, the f, they're all just numbers. So don't think too much about it. It looks intimidating. So since we're just focusing on the coefficient of a and c, we're going to follow this table. So if you look at the examples, here a, the coefficient of x squared is 4, and c, the coefficient of y squared is actually non-existent, so it would be 0. So if I were to multiply the two, a times c, 4 times 0, it would give me 0. So since the product of a and c is 0, what I'm dealing with here is a parabola. And as you already know, in parabolas, you either have x squared or you have y squared. You don't have both. And it's what separates the parabola from all the other conics. In the next example, a, the coefficient of x squared is 4, whereas c, the coefficient of y squared, if you look, and there's not a coefficient there, remember it's a 1, but it's not just 1. Look at the sign in front of it. It's a negative 1. So if I multiply the two, a times c would give me negative 4. Since negative 4 is less than 0, looking at the chart, this would be a hyperbola. For the next one, coefficient of x squared, known as a, would be 2. Oops, sorry about that. And the coefficient of y squared is 4. Product of that would be 8, which is greater than 0, and that would be an ellipse. And then finally here you have A, which is 2, and C, which is 2. Now, a lot of you are just in the habit of multiplying once you get this chart. So, little disclaimer, if ever A equals to C, you're going to have a circle, no need to multiply. So since A equals to C, you have a circle. Hope this helps.